Oh my God, y'all. I found it. We're on our way right now to, oh yeah, there you are. We're on our way right now to go and pick it up. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned to see what I got. I called a lot of stores to try and find this today. And we're gonna do an unboxing video on the channel. And I'm gonna wait to see how many of you subscribe and like and comment about what a dumbass I am for buying it. I'm a car guy. I like car things. But when there's special editions of other things, well, I tend to like that too. You know, that, you know, the company that makes this is always, you know, you get the white glove experience. Upset right now, not gonna lie. I'll show y'all just as I got it. T-Mobile guy at the store was trying to set the phone up for me, and he cut the damn tabs. But we didn't take the phone any further than, well, I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. Oh, Mclaren. Trying to get that in the video. There we go. First time I've ever strayed away from Samsung. Ever. Been a loyal Samsung customer for many, many years. But that's so exciting. Clear. Oh, there she is. Never settle. Alright. Got our cable. No, hang on. Alright, here's the bottom section of the tray. Okay, let's open up this area. Great things await below the surface. Oh, damn, that is a nice phone case. Mclaren. Yeah. Anything that side? No. Alright, there's our power brick. Huge fucking power brick, I might add. Like, even the power brick says Mclaren, you know? Look at that. McLaren. If you can't afford the car, buy the phone. Come with headphones. Anything else? Is that about it? Let's see. Hang on. I don't think that's it for us. Other than, you know, our SIM and all that's in here, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's our SIM. Start guide. Terms and conditions. All right. First time It's been pulled out of the plastic. Oh, let's turn it on. See, oh yeah, there we go. Got it through T-Mobile. I'm sure y'all already realized that. Damn, that's fucking nice. Look at that. I mean, I even like the feel. And I'll leave my sticker on. I'll go ahead. I'm in. System stability, I'm in. Built-in apps. If I have a SIM card, insert it now. Okay, so gotta gank the SIM out of my note real quick. I'm hoping. Okay, so we're back. Alright, so go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. I think that's the right password. There we go. Alright, so let that sit there. Copy apps. Yeah, go ahead. Backup from the cloud. It's really responsive. Like, I gotta say, OnePlus did a good job. Like, I've never been one to want to jump ship, but I'll tell you what, I'm fucking happy right now. So, I gotta say, the overall look and the overall feel is very good. Very responsive. I mean, even in my little cave, we're still struggling, but it is holding 5G. Well, give me just a second, I'll be right back. Keep in mind, this is a cold start. I haven't started a truck in a couple weeks. She'll idle on her own. It's really responsive as far as the video quality goes.
Yeah.
Like, just the snappiness of it, I don't think there's any lag. I don't have no lighter.